Hi, I'm Cory Scott. I'm the Chief Information Security Officer at LinkedIn. So I gave a presentation about the concept of storytelling in information security and how we build our team and individual identities by the stories that we tell about ourselves. So what I found over the time of building up a LinkedIn securities team is that the idea of a set of skills or hiring for a particular position is much less important than actually what type of narrative that we have about our individual identities. So for example, you might have a security person who identifies with being a defender or someone who protects the estate versus another type of security person who might be consider themselves like a trickster or an engineer or someone who is interested in being kind of an actuarial type of assessor. And so all these different types of individual narratives about how people actually define themselves help make a much more diverse security team. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have some type of narrative that's defined for you, who you are as a security professional. What motivates you? What makes you excited to go into work every day? Then second, what type of narrative identity or story does your team tell? Now, the security teams these days are so large and so broadly scoped that you can't always come up with a narrative directly for that entire team. But you have sub-teams, people who work on application security or network intrusion or assessments of vendors. And all of them can actually tell a story about the value that they provide to the organization, how they conduct their work, how they interact with peers. And try to define that narrative as well, and then ask the people around you what their narratives are. In the next 12 to 18 months, I think that privacy engineering will be at the forefront of how we end up protecting user and member data.